I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 25th day of May. Our May heat wave will be subsiding today thanks to an easterly flow. Highs should be back about where they should be for this time of the year. Let's look at the Skycam images around the network at 5 a.m. Start with the Clanton Skycam, and look at that daylight. That's great. Sky mostly clear there. Over at Mount Sheehaw, we're looking right down the Talladega Mountains, and again, you can see evidence of daylight. These old daytimes are definitely getting longer. And from the Inverness Skycam at Birmingham, hardly anybody out there at 5 o'clock. That's down below U.S. Highway 280, but we all know that will change in coming hours. Check the big picture this morning. We've got high pressure up in New England, a low that is northeast of the Bahamas, and an easterly flow is directed down this way, and that's going to help the numbers come down today. Instead of low 90s, we're talking mid-80s. Up on the watch warning map, pretty quiet early this morning, just some wind advisories way up north, and a winter storm watch for parts of the Sierra Nevadas out in California. Convective outlook, got a standard slight risk of severe weather for parts of West Texas up into the western high plains. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a couple of slight risk areas way up north. And then on day 5, which is Saturday, a slight risk for the western high plains. And, of course, no issues around here. In fact, the rain looks pretty skimpy for the next 5 days. There's the QPF chart. This is valid through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. Not very much across our state. The heavier rain's off to the west, and that looks about right. Now, understand, every day there'll be some risk of a shower or storm. It's that time of the year, but in terms of the organized rain, that'll stay west of here. Here's the GFS. This is the OZ run at 1 o'clock today. This is at 500 millibars. Broad upper low off to the east, and again, the higher heights are actually up over New England today, and a big trough out west. And down below that, that easterly flow should help to transport some Atlantic moisture. So in addition to the heat backing down, we think the coverage of the showers and storms should be a little greater today. And of course, the best chance coming during the afternoon and evening hours. Chance of any one spot getting wet will be about 1 in 3. And by the way, I forgot to show you this. This is the tropical weather outlook, that broad low east of Florida and the South Atlantic coast. They brought the chance of that becoming tropical down to 20%. And I doubt if that will ever be a true tropical system, but we'll keep an eye on that. No impact on Alabama's weather. All right, Wednesday looks relatively dry here. Pretty much the same deal on Thursday. We'll mention only a small chance of a shower both of those days, and highs in the upper 80s, maybe around 90 by Thursday. Friday, the axis of the ridge is in retrogression, moving back off to the west. We have a northerly flow aloft, and again, any convective mass north of us could be transported down here. Down below that, some evidence of a surface boundary to the north. Again, we'll just mention isolated showers Friday afternoon, Friday evening, and keep an eye on the radar. The weekend, it's a holiday weekend. How about that? Memorial Day. Some evidence, again, maybe of a weak boundary along Interstate 40, but the chance of rain there looks awfully small. Same thing on Sunday. Well, look, really, every day, tomorrow through the weekend, we're going to mention isolated afternoon showers, meaning most folks will not get wet. Showers that do pop should be pretty far between. And Monday of next week, Memorial Day, looks like a surface front, again, northwest of us. The better organized rain should be up on that front, but here, maybe an afternoon shower or storm. And a week from today, same deal. Highs for the weekend should be mostly in the upper 80s. Now, let's go out there 4 more days. Hey, look here now. June 5th, look at the trough over the east. A vortex around the base of that thing. That would suggest highs only in the 60s or low 70s. Come on now. Now, we have seen this feature fairly consistently out there. Now, the strength and the placement has varied, but the idea is certainly on the table, and that would be great. That'd sure break the warm weather for at least a day or two. Then on June the 9th, the ridge is back to westerly shift up north, and that looks very much like June the 9th should look. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.